Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm working on this Mercedes GLA 2.1 diesel, and here the car's in limp mode. It's losing power, juddering, it's intermittent, comes on and off, so it goes back to a few things. On the diagnostic here, what we've got is P045E13 EGR jammed, okay, and P044A00 differential pressure sensor. I'll guide you as to where you need to look for and where the sensor is and what you need to do. There's a few ways around it. So the sensor is located here, first thing first, right there. I've unplugged it already. That's it there. And let me just get the part number if I can. I don't know if that's the part number, is it? Maybe it is, maybe it's not, I don't know. Anyways, it's a common issue in the diesel world, the EGR issue. As we already seen, it's located here. This component, this is the component there. Now, EGR does get blocked. You can certainly dig into it, take it out. It's not the easiest thing, I'll be honest. It's not the easiest, definitely not. Take it out and clean it. If that helps, good. If it doesn't, we always recommend you buy an OEM original sensor there, pop it on, and do an adaptation. I'm using the iCar Soft CR Ultra P, and just reset the adaptation, in other words. There's another alternative way that some people do this. It's up to you. I don't recommend it, but you can do it. It's probably the easiest option and a cheaper version. Now that alone probably costs you 70-80 quid just for the sensor, irrelevant, and labour is going to be hundreds of pounds. I know that, it's not easy to work on. Okay, other option is remap. If you know somebody that does a decent job, not just any cowboy job, then you'd be looking at 150 quid, lower, more. That's the sort of figure you'd be looking at. EGR delete, end of, done, dusted. But that's where it is, guys, and they're the routes to take, but it's up to you.